All right, let's talk about Geoffrey Hinton's big warning on the future of AI. It's a pretty big deal.
So here's the central question. And for Hinton, the answer is a clear and simple yes.
It sounds basic, right? But just predicting the next word forces the AI to really get concepts. And that's the key. It's not just memorizing sentences, it's actually learning what words mean. Hinton has this great way of explaining it. Think of words as, well, kind of like squishy Lego blocks. So when the AI gets those shapes to fit just right, boom, that's real understanding. But Hinton points out one massive, game-changing difference between us and them. See, our knowledge is stuck in our brains, it's mortal. But an AI's knowledge, it's immortal and perfectly copyable. So imagine thousands of AIs all learning different things and then sharing it all instantly. And this is where it gets scary. Hinton uses another brilliant analogy to frame the risk here. He says it's like we're raising a pet tiger cub. Super cute now, but you know it's gonna grow up.
And we can't just get rid of it, right? The benefits are too huge. So what's the play?
Well, can we teach it not to want to eat us? Hinton says we have to totally rethink things. Instead of a smart assistant that'll replace us, what if we built a maternal AI? Something that cares. To pull this off, everyone has to be on board. Think Cold War-style talks, but for AI safety.
The whole point is to separate making AI smarter from the urgent shared need to make it safe.
So it's a total mind shift. We're not building a tool. We're trying to raise a guardian.
So, can we do it? Hinton thinks it's our only real shot. And honestly, everything might depend on it.